Hi, my name is Michelle Mazzanti, and today I will be discussing using performance monitoring, feedback, and reinforcement systems. It is important to utilize systematic strategies when providing supervision. Performance monitoring. Brown 2020 discusses how long and short-term goals should be set to meet during the supervisory relationship. Next, training should be established to facilitate competence in the skills identified during the skills assessment. Ongoing performance monitoring should then occur to ensure the maintenance of skills and include monthly face-to-face visits to ensure competence. This should include performance feedback on the supervisee's performance during supervision on the acquisition of new skills. McElroy et al. Explain that performance monitoring describes a class of behaviors a supervisor engages in to gather information about the supervisee's performance. Performance monitors can be conducted via direct observation, reviewing permanent products, supervisee self-reports, or secondary sources, such as asking other supervisors or peers to provide information about the supervisee's performance. Now we'll discuss performance feedback. Erdy et al. Defined performance feedback as providing information about an aspect of a person's behavior following that person's action. Effective supervisors provide continuous feedback about supervisee's performance throughout the supervision process in order to ensure the quality of service delivery. Supervision feedback is linked to supervisee's ongoing development of independence and competence. Effective feedback is specific in nature, focused on behaviors that can be changed, and provided as immediately as possible following the performance of a skill. Such feedback increases the likelihood of future skill application with accuracy and autonomy. Formative or regular and ongoing feedback is necessary in addition to summative feedback, which is a final evaluation at the end of a specific period, and can be incorporated in every supervision meeting. Immediate ongoing feedback is an evidence-based instructional strategy with pertinence to supervision and might prevent a supervisee's poor clinical habits or faulty assumptions from becoming entrenched. I will now discuss reinforcement. Just as we work to reinforce behaviors we want to increase with our clients, we must be mindful to provide systematic reinforcement of behaviors we want to target for increase with our supervisees. One way this can be accomplished is through encouragement. According to Erdy et al., encouragement is defined as making an on-topic positive statement about the supervisee and validating supervisee behavior. Not only is it important to reinforce behaviors we want to see continue or increase, but it is also important to reinforce instances when the supervisee seeks feedback, help, or wishes to express concerns or frustrations. This can be accomplished through active listening. Active listening can be defined as the occurrence of paraphrasing, repeating key phrases, and summarizing, which literature suggests is critical for building positive consultant-consultee relationships, as well as clarifying targets for intervention. This includes utilizing nonverbal communication such as nodding, smiling, appropriate eye contact, and/or note-taking. Okay, so how is this all of this information relevant? Conducting this research enhanced my knowledge and understanding of task list item I-5, use performance monitoring, feedback, and reinforcement systems. I now have a better understanding of what specifically each of these terms means and how to apply them in practice. In order to provide effective supervision, one must utilize these strategies on an ongoing basis. Now that I understand what each of these strategies are and how to differentiate between them, I will be able to apply them when providing supervision. More specifically, I will provide performance monitoring by gathering information about the supervisee's performance using strategies such as direct observation and review of permanent products, continuous performance feedback immediately following a direct observation, and I will provide consistent reinforcement of behaviors I wish to see continue and/or increase. Thank you.